Alright, so we have a mailbox, old school mailbox. We were able to get the key from eBay, but the key machine cutter is not small. We got this Dremel tool, but it'd be nice if we had a diagonal cutter that's slightly thinner than this thing. And it'll be even more perfect. But that's what I did. I put it in a vice grip and then just grind it down. And went like that. And then hopefully it works. Cross fingers. 11/9/21. Here's what the other key looks like. This key is made by Ilco. It's called 1270D. 1270D. So the original is lost, and a locksmith took some sheet metal and made this key. And we were able to get the real key from eBay. Now we just gotta hope it really fits.